Meet Joey, a top student making $5,000 a month, drowning in debt. Now, meet Kai, a dropout making $15,000 a month while traveling. The difference isn't luck. It's a 5-step system to become a digital architect, someone who designs their income and lifestyle around their natural talents. If you feel stuck, this is for you. Section 1. The Great Lie of the Traditional Path. Joey did everything right and got chained to a desk. The safe path was a cage. Kai earns triple from a laptop because he understood the rules have changed. A degree isn't a golden ticket. Providing direct value is. He stopped playing their game and created his own. Section 2. Becoming a digital architect. The secret is a shift in thinking. Stop being a cog and become the architect. A digital architect builds a business on their inherent talents, solving specific problems without permission. It's a 5-step system that starts with you. Section 3. Step 1. Talent maxing. First, find your single greatest strength. Most talents fall into 4 buckets. The organizer. You create order from chaos. The analyst. You're driven by logic and data. The communicator. You're persuasive and empathetic. The creative. You're an idea factory. Your gut already knows. This is your foundation. Section 4. Step 2. Service maxing. Now, turn that talent into a high-value service. A service has 0 startup cost and you get paid to learn. Your service must make a business more money or save them time. Pick a high-demand vehicle like brand identity design, AI automation, sales, short-form content creation. Then, become the go-to expert. Section 5. Step 3. Skill maxing. Don't have the skills? Get paid to learn. Use this loop. Define the result, sell it, deliver the work, fix it with feedback, and systemize your process. With every loop, your skills sharpen and your price goes up. Section 6, Step 4. Position maxing. This is what separates the $50 per hour freelancer from the $500 per hour architect. Sell outcomes, not tasks. A task seller says, I edit videos. An outcome seller says, I help brands turn viewers into customers. It's the same work, but you're positioned as a strategic partner. Section 7, Step 5. Brand maxing. To get clients coming to you, build a personal brand. Start by updating your social media bio to state the outcome you deliver. Instead of freelance writer, use I help companies turn readers into customers. Then share what you know. You'll become a magnet for your ideal client. I've walked you through the 5 steps to becoming a digital architect. To help, I've put together a free digital architect starter kit. It has a worksheet to find your talent and a list of high-demand services.